Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving north in Broadgate towards Annotto Bay. The Junction Road improvement starts here. The Junction Road improvement project involves the widening of the Broadgate to Agwater Vale Road in St. Mary, Jamaica. For decades, the Junction Main Road in St. Mary has been affected by landslides. The $1 billion road project, which has seen widening in some sections, embankments constructed, and paving done, is still behind schedule and have exceeded the original project cost. To the left, you can see a view of the Wagwater River, which runs parallel to the road. Sit back, relax and enjoy the view as we travel through the project site to give you an update. The road is breaking away again here. The road sign at the left here indicates that we are in Chovy, and just ahead the left turn will take us to Highgate, and continuing straight will lead to Annotto Bay. The left here takes us on the Westmoreland Bridge, which will bring us to communities such as Lowestoft, Clonmel, Richmond, Highgate, etc. On the left here is a section of the St. Mary Banana Estate, which extends all the way towards the Agwater Vale Quarry. We are approaching the Robert Schumann roundabout. I hope I get that pronunciation correct. The Junction Road improvement ends here in Agwater Vale. We'll be taking the first exit, which is a left towards Port Maria. The second exit will take us to Anata Bay, Port Antonio in the parish of Portland, and St. Thomas. On the right, we are passing the St. Mary Banana Estate Company Limited, better known as the St. Mary Banana Chips Factory. The road sign on the left shows Port Maria 21 kilometers, Ochiras 53 kilometers, Montego Bay 162 kilometers. We are going across the Wagwater River and into the Agwater Vale community. On the right, we are passing the Agwater Vale Quarry. On the left leads to the Agwater Vale pumping station. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.